Alright, so I got my Valor BD-62 and I really wanted to use it as a lat pull down. Um, so I found this thing, a seat with a knee rest. It wasn't really made for the Valor, but I was pretty sure that if I got a hold of it I could modify it. So here it is. You can see that little L bracket on there is all scraped up looking because I took a grinder wheel and I was able to just cut that little piece of metal off and reposition it so that it fit on the Valor BD-62. And then I welded it all back on. And I used a step drill bit to enlarge the holes because, wouldn't you know it, the pin size on that seat wasn't the same as the hole size on the BD-62. Um, but so uh, there's a good shot of the new bracket, and that lower pin, there is no hole for that, so that had to be drilled separately. So here's the step bit that I used, and I just found the right hole and enlarged it just so the pin slipped right in there. And of course you got to go around the back and drill it out. And then once I had it positioned on there, I was able to completely disassemble the lower pin on the seat and then mark it on the upright of the BD-62 and drill it out. And everything seems to fit pretty good now. So this is kind of like an alternative if you're looking for a combo setup. It is a little wiggly, I will say. If you're real heavy, you might have some issues, but I'm probably about 205. So you can see me here sitting on it and doing the pull down. So everything worked out great.